All right, guys, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to install your aftermarket mirror cap for your B9 or B9.5 Audi S5. This one does have the blind spot monitor, and just to give you a close-up look here of what this looks like on the inside. And you might think that this guy right here and right here are used for screw holes. They're not. They're just to line up the mirror cap. So when you pull it off, there are no screws you have to worry about. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I found the easiest way to get the mirror cap off is using one of these trim tools. You're gonna want it to be pretty strong and also not be too chunky so that you can fit it up under that gap right there. Now, if you work your way up the mirror cap, it's gonna loosen it up a little bit. So that's your goal here, loosen it up from the top. A little tricky. Get this in here. Then I'm gonna come in from the side here, underneath from both, right? Gonna get in there as far as I can. And once I'm in here, you get it popped up a little. You hear it pop, and boom, off she comes, and nothing broke. Once you get that popped off, this is gonna be super easy. This is the cable here for the blind spot monitor. This is just kind of like a light. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pinch this little top tab, just pinch that, and it will slide out. If you can pinch it and kind of grab it from the sides, it's tough to kind of do here with the camera in the way, but you just wanna pinch that top one and then pull both of these out. So now that we have this cable removed, everything is good to go, and we are gonna swap this guy out right here. Super simple to do. Here is the OEM one. All right, get a look at that. You see those little spots that look like they might be for screws? Those little spots are also on the aftermarket one. Now let me show you where those actually go. So right here, they're just going in here. It's just a guide. So it's going in here, and it's going in here. There are no screws that you need to remove. These screws here, here, and I believe there's one underneath there. Those are the screws in the other videos that they tell you to remove, and that just removes this front trim piece here. To remove the blind spot module here, this is the main tab that you're gonna have to push here. There is a little guy on the back here. You may need to press that first, and then there's these little guys here, here, and on the bottom as well. Might have to give those a couple pushes first, but the main one's this one. Once you do that, you're just gonna press it firmly and then just push it out through the front, rotate it out, and it comes right out. All right, so now we have our aftermarket mirror cap upside down. The plug is gonna go in down. So it's actually gonna be facing up, obviously, once it's installed, but it goes in down. We're gonna start by lining it up on the left and then just clip it right into place and you're good. It is that simple. So now we're just gonna install the plug here, super simple. So you wanna make sure that the side with the tab here is facing outward. So just go in there. It's gonna be tough to see, but you know, it'll be really obvious on how to get it in there. All right, so I got it lined up. Boom, little click right into place. So we got it plugged in. Now to line it up here, I'm gonna start from this back inner part here. Make sure the trim is inside of the other trim, and then we're gonna kind of just press in and down. You'll hear a bunch of clicks, and she's good to go. And it is that simple. Here we are, all installed. Really good fitment. Literally just AliExpress. I wanna say they were like $12 or something, but absolutely changed the look of the car. I did all the other bits in black as well. Black lip spoiler, blacked out this trim, blacked out the front grille, the emblem, did the side badges, all of the trim around the windows. Looks amazing, definitely changes up the car. And you don't have to take the thing apart and risk breaking your mirror. Don't worry about that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.